Greetings to all people across the world, and my name is Asante Clickwise. You are just watching us on live chapter, taking you all across Africa and bringing you all the exclusives as far as entertainment is concerned. Today I have with me somebody special, and this man that you're seeing here, named Bizymani.
Big up.
His name is Bizymani,
That's
and
it.
he's one of the Nigerian's top fastest rising artists. When we talk about fast rising artists, he's the toppest. And now he's in Ghana, and we have a chance to interview him on Clockwise TV on live chapter. You're welcome to the show, my brother.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Tell your people something. Ghana is watching.
Yeah, it's strictly entertainment, strictly one love, strictly with the real people, strictly with those who really care, strictly with those who really want to move it forward, strictly with those a Ghana true lovers, a Ghana people who are motivated, who are encouragement.
Nice one. So you coming from Nigeria, you speak Yoruba, or are you Igbo person, or which kind of tribe?
Yeah. Bizymani, my real name is Barry Befi.
Barry Befi.
Yeah, man.
Right.
So
Okay.
Barry Befi is from Niger Delta, Ogoniland.
Niger Delta, River State,
Yeah.
and Gonja land. Is it
Ogoni.
Ogoni land?
Land.
Really?
Barry Befi is from.
That's nice.
You know.
I can see two Baba will be watching this video, and then he'll be saying, "Where's my boy? My boy, Bizymani."
Big up.
I want you to blow like Olamide. I want you to blow like Otedola and all that stuff. So why are you in Ghana?
Yeah, to me, life is a movement.
Right.
Anywhere you find yourself, you just gotta do your thing. I found myself in Ghana because I have to be there. I have to see my fellow Africans. I have to do and show love to my fellow brother, man.
You have a song, what is Jeje Lai,
Okay.
and it's blowing in Ghana.
Okay.
What is the meaning of Jeje Lai, and what inspired you to come up with that song?
Yeah, what inspired me actually, when I traveled down to Ghana here. I traveled down to many parts of Africa. I see one thing I like in Africa, and that thing I see I like inspired me to write that song.
Because that song is very special. I can see the kind of rhythm that you use, the beat system, and the way you sing, and you flow just like that. Were you born with a talent, or you just learned how to sing, or what? How did you come by your gift?
It was God all true. It is a talent.
Oluwa is involved.
Is involved all true.
Oluwa is involved.
It's something we don't practice.
Really
It just comes and we do it.
nice. So you are making us love you because your music is very, very great.
Thank
People
you.
in Ghana, now you have started building a fan base.
Thank you.
And
Thank
thanks
you.
to Ansasa Shaku,
Thank
Commander
you.
One,
Thank you.
and Asante Clickwise,
Thank
myself,
you. Thank you.
we are part of the
Thank you.
team that is holding
Thank
the
you.
whole thing
Thank
down.
you. Thank
And
you.
then what is your next move right
Yeah,
now?
my next move in Ghana entertainment industry, to be precise, is to do a collabo with not really an artist that is known, but an artist that is motivated to go to the next level.
Like me myself, I'm an artist. Maybe I can do a collabo. And exactly. And you
Yeah.
love Stoneboy, Sarkodie, Payday, all those guys.
I
out
love
there.
big
There
up,
are
big up,
people.
yeah.
Kwesiata.
Big up to Stoneboy, big up to Zakode, big up to Shatawale, big up to Samini, big up to all those real people keeping the real in Ghana.
And you have your man also from Nigeria. His name is Raptong, and he's
Yeah, man.
a big fan of you as you are.
Yeah, man. Rap tongue, that's my fellow brethren who is in the movement. Big up to you. I know you had your keeping it real.
Positive.
So
Positive.
any
Today you are performing at Shatta 05 Pub at Adansi Fumso alongside
live,
other artists and then
live,
people,
live
so
and
many
direct,
people on board.
live and direct.
And what do you have for the fans out there?
Big up to all my real fans who's coming over to watch Bizymani and his friends. I said big up, expect nothing but massive performance.
positive. Positive. So this is live chapter. This is one-on-one encounter with Bizymani, the man who is about to blow across the whole of Africa and extend to the globe. We just take it out from there, and then later on, watch out for big things on the show. My name again is Asante Clickwise. You just can call me Click.
One love.